5 to 7 minute algebra question every day. So we're going to start off with this one, which is a times b plus y times 6 minus x. And I've already written the answer down because I am about to explain it. So I recommend this video for 7th, 8th graders. So I'm gonna get started. So this is our chart of what the letters stand for. So we know A equals 2. So then we can bring this down and write it as 2. And we're gonna also bring the multiplication symbol down and write it as well. Now let's look. B equals 4. So we can bring B down. That's 4. 2 times 4 is 8. All right, now using PEMDAS, let's write this down. This is PEMDAS right here. Using PEMDAS, this is parentheses. There is no parentheses, which these are labeled by which you should do first in a math problem. This is exponents, no exponents. Multiplication, yes. Multiplication comes before addition, which is at the end. So we're going to do multiplication first rather than adding plus y just yet. So multiplication up here and adding up there. All right. So now that we have the answer of 8 so far, a times b equals 8. We're going to skip over plus y as we already know. Now we're going to do times 6. Let's bring 8 up and do 8 times 6, which we know that if we do 8 times 1, that's 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. You're doing 8 6 times. So 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And so you could do times 6 and it will be twice as much. So that will be 48 that you have right here. Now we are going to do the minus x part. It says minus x. So bringing minus x down, we will use this x right here on the chart. But first, before we do that, we need to pay attention to the plus y. So y equals 8. All right. So we know 8 plus 8 equals 16. So that means you add a 1 to this 4. So you're going to do that. 1 to this 4. So you're going to have 5. And then the 6 you're going to bring down from 16 is going to be down here in the tens place, while the 5 you had from up top is going to be down here. And sorry for the bad handwriting, my little marker is running out of ink. So now that we have 56, we can now use PEMDAS to do our subtraction, which is the last step to this. X equals 16. So we already know minus x is going to be minus 16. So 6 minus 6 is 0. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So yeah, that's how you get the answer of 40. So that's your 5-minute algebra lesson of the day.